Good morning, students. Myself Balamurli, working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, we are going to see a topic in building components, columns, in basics of civil and mechanical engineering. So, what are superstructure columns? So, why column is important? In those days, in olden days, residential buildings, commercial buildings are built using load-bearing structures, which can able to capable to carry up to 2 stories or 3 stories. That is, second floor to up to second floor, you can be able to build with the help of this load bearing structure. When we are providing columns, it will have a good ability to transfer the loads from the beams, walls, and other things to the soil or to the foundation safely, so that it can able to withstand with a more number of stores, like more number of floors, we can say. So height of the building shall be improved or increased as it has a heavy load carrying capacity. So we can utilize these columns. So vertical structure member in the superstructure that transfer the loads from beams, slabs, roofs to the foundation safely. And its role is to provide stability, support axial loads, resist bending, and enhance architectural aesthetics. We can able to give various looks to the building. So we can able to build give good aesthetic buildings with the help of these columns, where in using load bearing structure it is very difficult to build those aesthetic good aesthetic appearing or very creative architectural work for the building can be obtained only through this kind of superstructure columns. So essential for multi-story buildings, bridges, industrial structures. It influences material choice, cost, and sustainability. So types of superstructure columns like rectangular column, circular column, square column, composite column. So the shapes include these four for the specific load needs. Based on the load needs, these shapes can be utilized or can be implemented in various applications as required. So advantages of these different types of columns like precast concrete, steel columns, timber columns, composite columns, or the precast concrete will have a square or circular like structure. It is a factory made, assembled on site, uniform quality, and it is widely used for building roads, building bridges in the roadways, as it is difficult to stop the roadways or difficult to give alternate path for the existing transport systems. So there, this kind of precast concrete will help to lay bridges as fast as can be. It is a time saving one. Steel or rolled steel sections, welded bolt, lightweight and versatile. It is been also used for building a lightweight buildings, and also you can able to see that timber and composites also being used. So advantages of these different types of columns are cost effective, fire resistance as it is for precast concrete, time efficient. Steel columns have a high strength, fast installation, lightweight compared with others. Timber columns eco-friendly, lightweight, um, flexible to remove or can be replaced. Aesthetic wise, it is while appealing, it has a good aesthetic look. For composite columns, high strength, fire resistance, space efficiency, corrosion resistance, as it is most widely used in many of the residential buildings and commercial buildings. So various applications of these superstructure columns are precast concrete columns like high-rise buildings, high-rise buildings like commercial buildings, bridges, connecting bridges. For steel columns, like skyscrapers, commercial buildings, it can be utilized. Malls can be used for this steel columns. Timber, like commercial buildings, and for industrial facilities, you can able to use this kind of columns, timber columns. For composite, there's a sports area now, educational facilities or educational institutions, organizations, industrial structures. We can use these kind of composite columns. I hope you understand the various columns and its types. Purpose of the column, why column is more essential than load bearing structure, are being discussed in the session. This is a small assessment for you. Which type of column is this? Rectangular, circular, square? It is a square column with the composite type. Which column is known for being eco-friendly and lightweight? It is timber. Which type of columns commonly used in skyscrapers? Steel columns. Which application most suitable for pre-concrete structures? Community centers. So I hope you understand this uh, columns and other types of various types of columns, various types of materials used in these columns for this. Thank you.